Welcome back to Tech Space, and I want to share with you guys how I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. For people who are falling behind that guideline for Google AdSense, so they can't get paid for their videos, you need 1,000 subscribers now. So I'm going to show you guys how I hit 1,000 subscribers, and maybe you can follow a similar path to getting 1,000 subscribers as well. That is the hopes. I have other videos on YouTube and YouTube content in general, so you can check those out as well. Those will help along with this video. So number one is going to be making sure your thumbnails are standing out to the people who are looking at them. So a lot of my views are through the suggested videos. So if you watch a video on the suggested side, that's what like 30% of my views come from, and most of it is because I have these thumbnails that I actually take the time to create with Photor. So I'll put a link to Photor and the tutorial I've done on it in the description, but basically Photor allows you to make different thumbnails, and they stand out obviously. Like all of these have been created with that website. So I'll put that website in the tutorial I have on it in the description. You can go check that out. But the next things that I think that people won't talk about as much is having the correct tags and linking your channel to different sites. So an example of tagging a video would be, I'll show you. So say we're using laptop keyboard buttons, laptop keyboard and buttons not working video that I created. What I'm going to tag this video as is laptop keyboard not working, laptop keys not working. You type in what you think somebody's going to type in to the search bar, exactly what you think. If you type in something misleading, it's not going to lead people to your video. It's going to lead people to somebody else's video because your video is misleading, and YouTube bots have already, understood that fact that your video is misleading. So it's going to lead them to a different video. It's not going to lead them to yours if you do false tag, as well as it's not going to help at all. So you want to type in what people are going to type in when they search. How are they going to find your channel? Or how are they going to find that specific video? So when you're tagging your channel, you do the same thing. You type in what you think the person is going to get out of your channel. So in my channel's case, I type in technology. I type in computer programming. Type in quick fixes, repairs, computer not working, things like that. That's what you want to type into the search or to your tags, because that's what people are going to search when they're on YouTube. Don't type misleading content because it's not going to help. Another thing is, along with thumbnails, tags, you're going to want to create playlists. Playlists are important because once someone's watched one of your videos, they have the option to watch the rest of them by automated play. So, if you play a playlist, it's playing every single video, and it'll go down those videos. If you don't put something in the playlist, it's not going, there's a high chance of the next video that's playing, or then after your video is over, is that video is not going to be on your channel. So it might be a similar video on somebody else's channel. So that's why you want to make sure it's in a playlist, so that the person watching your video is getting suggested videos from your channel and not from somebody else's channel. Lastly, just keep your social media accounts updated, from Twitter to Facebook, Instagram, all of that. Keep it updated every day, and keep posting them with tags. Again, if you want to use hashtags, that's something that will help a lot with people finding your content, if you are newer especially. And that's basically how I got 1,000 subscribers, is just keeping up with my tags, my content, keep posting every day, keep creating good thumbnails and descriptions, and replying to your comments, and you'll get 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, post in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Make sure you hit like and subscribe on this video. And again, I will see you guys next time.